Hello! Today I will be helping you navigate through the Songesand 6-drawer chest instructional on IKEA's part. As you are building the drawers themselves, you will finish step 14 and suddenly the instructions jump past the highly important step of attaching the drawer slides in the drawers. I checked through all of the instructions and I do not see this step. You can see in step 14 that there are no drawer slides on the drawer. Then, in step 15, the slides magically appear in the pictures. Now, to give IKEA the credit that they are due, I love IKEA instructions, and I cannot for the life of me remember a time when I found a legitimate mistake when building a piece of IKEA furniture. So kudos to all of their other instruction manuals. Anyway, if you follow this video, I'll have you back on track in no time. I already did the first one to make sure that it worked, but what you do is take the rest of the railings that you have and set them up to where it looks like this. You're gonna make it to where it looks just like that. Then you will be set up for success. I just checked it. It works on the first one. It should work on the rest of them.